Hello students, so today we will be mm, doing question number 7 from exercise 14a. We have already finished till question number 6, so today we'll be doing question number 7. And here what we have to find, see here we have in the question, it has been given that what the mean pocket allowance is 18 rupees. Find out the missing frequency f in question number 7. So next what we will do, we will make one table here. Okay, we will make one table. In this table what we have to do, we have to make what, we have to 4 column 1 2 3 4, right? So 4 column we have make it. Now first one you already will write same thing, daily pocket allowance. We will write rupees, okay, in rupees or rupees. Next we have what, we will write down, that is class interval. You can also write class interval. Next one is what, frequency. Frequency we to write with AF5, right? Next one is what, next one we need to write class marks. We also write this one with what, XI. Next one is what, summation is product of FI into XI, means product of these two, FI into XI. So daily pocket allowance already given here. How much interval? So 11 to 13. Next one is 13 to 15. Next one we have 15 to 17. Next we have 17 to 19, 19 to 21. Next we have 21 to 23. Next we have what, 23 to 25. So this is the pocket allowance, or you can write class interval. Frequency F5. You can see first one we have 7, 6, 9, then 13. Then we have F. Then we are having 5 and 4. Okay. So I hope clear. We have written this class interval and frequency. Next, how to find X class mark. You already know how to find upper limit plus lower limit. So 13 plus 11. Add it, 13 plus 11. Yes. So we have 4 and 2. And divide with what? We have to divide this with 2. So we got here 13 plus 11. We are getting 24. Dividing with 2, we are getting what? When we divide with 2, we will get 12. Next, add 15 plus 13. So 15 plus 13, it will be how much? 15, 13, it will be what? 5 plus 3, 8, 2. So 28, if you divide with 2, you will get what? You will get this one, 14. Next, again, add this one, 17 plus 15. So it will be 17. 15 plus 15, yes, 30. So 32 we are getting. Next, it will be what? 32, 16. So next, see 2 different, 12, then 14, 14, 16, 16. Next, we will know already, it will be 18. Next, it will be how much? 21 plus 90, 40. So next it will be what? Next one it will be our, this one it will be 20. Next, add 2 more, you will get here 22. Last one it will be what? 24. I hope you are clear. 2 difference is there, no? 12, 14 minus 12, so 2. 16 minus 14, so 2. So add 2 in 16 plus 2, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 plus 2, 22. Plus 2, 24. So that way you can obtain. Okay, class marks. Next, FI into exercise product. So 12 into 7. So it will be 84. Next, 6 in 84, correct. Now 14 into 6. So 6 4 ja 24. Then 6 1 ja 6 plus 2 8. Next, 69 ja, we are getting 144. Next, what will be how much? 13 into 18. Multiply and see how much you are getting. 13 into 18. So it will be 3 8 ja 24. 3 1 ja 3 plus 2, it will be 5. And 18, you will get 4. Next, 13. Here it will be 2. So we will get what? 2, 3, 4. Next one, F into 20. It will be 20. F. Next, 5 into 22. So 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10, 1, 11. 4 2 4s are 16. Then 4 2s are 8, 1, 9. So we are getting 96. So this much we are obtaining here. Okay. So after multiplication, we have obtained this 96. Then we are obtaining what? For first one, we have 96, 110, 20 F. then 2 3 4 1 1 1 4 4 84 and 84 we are obtaining here. Yes, so now what you will do, you will add and find the summation of, here you already know you need what, summation of A5. You need to add this one. Next, what you need to find the summation of what, summation of A5 in Xi, means sum of all this we need to find out. So add it, how much you will get. So here we'll add this 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 will be 12, 12 plus 9 21, plus 6 will be 27, 27 plus 7 it will be 34, so 4, so 1 will plus, so 1 is here, right, 1, so 34 we got 1, so here we will get what, 44. Next f is there, we will write what, plus f, so 4 here we got 44 plus f, summation 44 plus f. I hope it's clear, it's what, 44 plus f. Next add this one, so when you will add this, how much you will get, so after addition you will be getting here 7, you will be getting 752 plus what, 752 plus you will be getting 20f. Okay, so you have to add this one, you will be getting 752 plus 20f. Next you use the formula and find out. So how you will add, you will add all these except this part you have to keep separate. So see 20f, all these I have added, 96, 100, 234, 144, 84, 84. When you will add, you will get 752 plus 20f. You will write down. Next it will be what? You already know. What you know? That mean is equal to summation of a5 xi by summation of a5. Put the value mean, how much we have in this. So mean pocket allowance already given 18, we will write 18. Summation of a5 xi, we are getting this, we will write this in the 752 plus 20f divided by what, summation of a5. So summation of a5 we have this one 44 plus f, so we write 44 plus f. Next step what we are going to do, so cross multiply, everyone knows. So here this will be multiplied with 18, so it will be 18 into 44. Next it will be 18 into f will be 80 f equal to 752 plus 20 f. Next multiply 18 into 44, so 18 44 you will write then 18, 8 4 are 20, 32, 8 4 are 32 plus 3 35. Next you will get 44 here, so it will be 2, it will be 9, it will be 7. So what we will get, 792 plus 18 f equal to 752 plus 20 f. Then f I will bring this side. Okay, so 18 f, if I will bring 20 f this side, it will be minus 20 f. Take 792 other side, so it will be 752 plus will become what, minus, so minus 792. Next it will be what, minus 2f equal to, subtract here, from greater number we have to subtract a smaller, so 2 minus 2 it will be 0, 9 minus 5 it will be 4, 7 minus 7 0, so we got 40, but this is greater, we will put the minus sign. Okay, next step we will write what, f is equal to minus 40 by minus 2, minus minus cancel, 2 it will be what, 20. So f we are getting how much, 20. So this is our answer for question number 7. We have got what, f equal to 20. Let us move to next question, question number 8. So here directly we will make the table for question number, directly we will solve. Okay, question number 8 solution. So we are going to make the table here. How many column you already know? Yes, you have to make the 4 column here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what? It will be here. It will be class interval. Class interval already given in the question, for in question number 8. And next it will be as class interval. Here we will be having frequency we denote with what? Fi. Here class marks also written with what? We write with xi. Next, some product fi into xi. Class interval is what? Here class interval we have 0 to 20, 22, 40. Next we have 42, 60, 62, 80, 82, 100, then 100 to 120. Next, what we have to write here? We write frequency 7, F5, 2L, F1. Okay, this is F1, then 2L, then F2. We have 8, and then we have what? 5. So our aim is to find what here? See, Xi, Fi, Xi. Then we need to find what? In the question they are asking, find out the unknown frequency F1 and F2, missing frequency. So what we do? How to find the class marks? Let us complete this part. Summation of Fi, how much you will get here. So 87 plus 12 we have 19. 19 plus 8 we have 27. 27 plus 5 we have how much? We are having here 32 plus F1 and F2. You will write down here F1 then plus F2. Okay, I don't have a space here. I will write in just below F2. Let us find the class mark. How to find the class mark? Upper limit plus lower limit. So 20 plus 0 will be 20 divided by 2. So 20 it will be divided by 2, we will get 10. 40 plus 20. So 40 plus 20 it will be 60, right? 60 plus divided by 2 will be 30. Next, 60 plus 40. 100 divided, so we got 50. Here 80 plus 60, 140 will be getting 70. Next 100 plus 80, we have what? 180, so we will get 90. Then 120 plus 100, so it will be 220, so it will be 110. Now let us find Fi into Xi. 7 into 10, 70. Fi into 30, we will get 30. Not Fi, F1, okay, it's F1. 12 into 50, so it will be 5 2s are 10. 5 1 5 1 6 0. So we are getting 600. F2 into 70 will be 70 F2. So 8 9s are 72. So we are then what? 0 0. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. You will get here 0. Now find the summation of Fi. Xi means addition of all this. When you add all this, how much you will get? So add it 0. So after addition, what we are getting here? 1940. Okay, we'll write down this 1940. Now let us try to find what we can write. You will see your question. It has been given what? In the question it has been given that sum of the observation. Okay, sum of the observation has been is 50. Sum of the observation is frequency. Okay, so summation of Fi already given 50. Or what we can write, summation of Fi, how much we are getting? 32 plus F1 plus F2. I can write like this here. Next step I can write 32 plus F1 plus F2 is equal to 50. Or what we can write here? We can write F1 is equal to 50 minus, take 32 other side, it will be minus 32 minus, I will take F1 is here, so it will be F2. What will get? F1 is equal to 50 minus 32 will be 80 minus F2. So this one I will give equation 1. Next case also, one more thing has been given in your question is what? Mean value is given. Okay, see here in this given what? Frequency distribution is 57.6. Frequency distribution is what? Sum of the observation, then where frequency distribution. So I will be writing here frequency distribution is summation of Fi into Xi is given what? We will be writing here 57.6, and let us see how much we are getting. Fi into Xi, how much we have obtained this one? Its frequency distribution has been given. Okay, so frequency distribution, we will write what? We will be writing here, that is mean. We will write to X bar is equal to 57.6. Next, let us substitute the value here and see what we are getting. when we substitute the value, mean formula you already know. Mean is equal to, what we have, mean is equal to summation of f5 xi by summation of f5. Mean value you will put here, so you will write here 57.6 is equal to summation of f5 xi. We got this value, we will write here down. Okay, we have 1940 plus 30 f1 plus 70 f2. Then summation of f5 how much? Summation of f5 32 plus f1 by f2, or we can also write what summation of f5 in question is given 50. So I will write 50. Next it will be what? 57. If 50 will come this side, so we multiply. When you will multiply, you will get 5 6 are 30, then 5 7 are 35 plus 3, it will be 38. 5 5 are 25 plus 3 will be 28, 0. So point will be here, right? It will be what? 1940 plus 30 f1 plus 70 f2. Next it will be how much? It will be, we will bring this number this side, right? So we will get what? 2880. Then this will come here and minus, so 1940 equal to 30 f1 plus 70 f2. We'll get how much? We'll be subtract 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 4 will be 4. 18 minus 9, right? 18 minus 9 will be what? 9. 1. So we got here 940. Next it will be what? 70 f1, 30 f1. So 30 I will write 30 f1. At place of f1 I can use this equation. F1 is how much? 18 minus f2 I will write here. 18 minus f2. Everything I am changing into f2. So f1 we have 18 minus f2 from equation 1 plus 70 f2. What you will write here? Using, in bracket you can write here using equation 1. Okay, by using 1 we got this. Now next 940 will be 940 equal to multiply 30 into 18, you will be getting 540. Now 30 into f2 will be what? Minus 30 f2. Next will be what? Plus 70 f2. Next it will be how much? 940. 540 will come this side here, so 540 plus it will become minus, equal minus 30 f2, 70 f2. So it will be what? 40 f2. Next subtract here, how much you are getting? 940 minus 540. So 0 minus 0 will be 0. 4 minus 4 will be 0. 9 minus 5 will be 4 equal to 40 f2. So next step we can write what? We can write here, see here 400 divided by 40, then it will be equal to f2, right? And 40 is in 2 there, if you will be in other side, divide. So 40, how many? 10 ja 4, yes, 0 0 cancel, so 4 10 ja 40, so we will get here, we are getting here what? f2 is equal to 10. You can write therefore f2 is equal to 10. Or from 1 what we have? From 1 we have f1 is equal to 18 minus f2, right? If we check equation 1, so f1 we got 18, f2 how much we are getting? f1 we are getting 18 minus what? f2. So f2 we got 10, 18 minus 10 will be what? 8. So you write what? Hence f1 is equal to 8 and f2 is equal to what? 10. So this is our answer for question number 7. Okay, question number 8. So similarly we will be trying question number 9 is exactly similar. So that will be your homework. Question number, we are done with the question number 8. Just now we have finished question number 8. F1 8 and F2 10. Now we will move to question number 10. Okay, now let us try question number 10. Question number 10 is what? Find the mean by shortcut method, that is what? This method, shortcut method, is also known as assume mean method. So this is the question. Class interval has been already given in the question. You will write down here class interval. Well, next is what? Frequency. 0 to 10, next 10 to 20, next 20 to 30, next 30 to 40, next we have 40 to 50. Next what? You will write down the frequency here. 12, we have 16, 6, 7 and 9. So here also we will try to, in this shortcut method, what we are going to do, here we will make how many column? 5 column. Okay, we will try to make the 5 column. So let us try to make the 5 column here. 5 column we will make one table. So now first one, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next what you will write here? Class interval will be here. Interval, we have frequency fi, you already know. Xi you have to find out. Next will be what? You have to find di, and this will, last one will be what? You will be finding after di, you have to get fi into di. So in the previous question we need to find fi into xi, here fi into di. Now class interval we have 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, we have 40 to 50 and 50 to, so we have 30 to 50, right? Write on the frequency 12. Then what we have here? 12, we have the 16, then we have 6, 7 and 9. So what will be our next step? We have to get what? We have to get the summation of fi. So find this sum of this. Add this one. When you add this, how much you will get? So see, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 7, 21 plus 9. We will get 30, so 0 here. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3, we will get 5. So summation of fi, we have got how much? We are getting 50. Now xi, how to find xi? Frequency. Third one, xi, you already know what is xi. Class marks, right? Class mark. Next we have to find the di, okay? Deviation from the mean. So di will be what? Xi minus a. Next it will be what? Product fi into di. So now let us first find that sum of frequency. If you add, I have already found out. After adding all this, I got here 50. Next xi, how to find xi? So 10 plus 0 will be 10 divided by 2, it will be 5. 20 plus 10, 30, 30 divided by 2 will get 50. Next 30 plus 20, it will be what? 50, 50 divided by 2, 25. Next 40 plus 30, 70 divided by 2, we have the 35. Next 50 plus 40, 19 divided by 2, 45. Next di will be what? Xi minus a. Di we have xi minus a. So xi, this one, but where is a? No a. So a is what? Middlemost value. So count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from here it will do 2, from this 2. So what is middle one? 25. So that will be our assume mean is 25. Middle value, this will be our middle value a. Okay, 2 this side, 2 this side. So middle one obviously this one. Now how to find di? So xi minus a. So xi we have how much? Xi for first one we have 5. Minus we will put minus a, how much? A we have 25. So 5 minus 25, we got how much? We got minus 20. Clear? For next one now. For next one, how much axi? 50. We write 50 minus, you write minus. Then what? 50 minus a is how much? A we have 25. So 25. We will get how much? Here we will be getting 25 minus 15. It will be minus 10. Next 25 minus 25, right? Xi 25 and a also 25. So it will be 0. Next 35 minus 25. 35 minus 25. 35 and minus 25. It will be what? 10. Yeah, 45 minus 25 mean. So it will be what? It will be 45, you will write 45, minus will be minus, a will be 25, 45, so it will get here 20. Clear? Next, a, what you have to do, fi di. Okay, clear? Don't need to find that. We don't need to find here fi xi di. What is we need to find? Fi and di, because formula we need fi di. So let us find fi di. So 12 into 20. So 12 into 2 will get what? 24. 0 will write 0 minus. Now 16 into 10, it will be what? 16 1 just 16, it will be 0. Next 25 a5 di, right? So 10 into 16 we got 160. Now 6 into 0 will be what? 0. Next 7 into 10 will be 70, right? a5 and then di. So 7 into 10, 70. Next 9 into 20, so it will be 180. Now 8 plus 2, minus will be adding together, plus thing, 0 plus 70 plus 180, so we'll be getting 0. This 2 if you will add, how much will get? You can write here also, if you will add, you will get what? 0. Then 8 plus 7 will get 15, and we will get 250 plus 250. But when you will add these two, if you will add 0 also same thing, right? So if I will add these two, we will get how much? Minus, then what? 0. So this is the rough work. What I will do, I will directly add here 0. Then 4 plus 6, 10. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 6, 10. 2 plus 1, 3, 1, 4. Minus 400 and 250, right? So which one is greater? 400. So we'll have here 250. So from greater number subtract the smaller. So you'll get 0 here. Then how much? 10 minus 5 will get 5. Then here 3 minus 2, 1. So this is greater, sign will be minus. So we are getting how much here? Summation of fi di. We are getting minus 150. I hope you are clear with this. What we are doing? Plus 1 we are adding together, minus 1 we are adding together. Yes. And from greater number we are subtracting. So 400, we got this one 400, but with the minus sign. This one I got after adding this, I got 250. So from 400 I subtract the 250 and I got minus 150. Why? Because this is greater, so I will put the minus sign. I hope you are clear till here. Next we have what? Mean. For shortcut method, formula is mean is equal to a plus summation of fi di by summation of fi. Mean is how much? We have to find out. A 25, we have middlemost value, summation of fi di, we have minus 150 by what? Summation of fi, we have the here 50. See here now. 50 how many times? So 3. Plus into minus, we got minus 25 minus 3 will be 22. So this will be our answer for question number 10. Let us try now question number 11. Okay, so now we will try question number 11. Here also we have to find the mean by what? Mean by the shortcut method. So directly we will make in the shortcut method how many column we have to make. You already know 5 column, right? We will make here 5 columns. See what we are getting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Now first one, class interval in question. Next, frequency denoted by fi. Next, class marks denoted by what? xi. Next we have di deviation. It will be xi minus a. Next it will be what? fi into di. So these two will be already given in question, so we will write in from the question. First one 0 to 20, we have what? 20. The next 20 to 40, we have what? 35. Next 40 to 60, what we have? We have 52. Next 60 to 80, we have 44. Next 80 to 100, we have 38. Next 100 to 120, we have what? 31. So this much we got here, right? 100 to first one is 0 to 20, 20. Second one 20 to 40, we got 35, 40 to 60, 52, 60 to 80, 35, 45 or 44. Here we have the 44. Okay, 44. Then what? 80 to 100 we have 38. Then 100 to 120 we have 30. We have what? We have 31. Now what is the next step? We already know that we have to find summation of A5. So when you will find the summation of A5, how much will be getting here? You will be getting 220. So you can add it and you will be getting summation of A5 220. Next, how to find the xi? You already know, to upper limit plus lower limit. So 20 plus 0, 20 divided by 2 will be 10. Now 40 plus 20, it will be 60 divided by 2, we got the 30. 60 divided by plus 40, 100 divided by 2, 50. See the difference we can find. So first difference 20, add here 20, we'll get 70. We'll be getting here 80, then we have 90, then it will be 110. So we got the class mark. Let us find the di. So for di formula is xi minus a. So a we need to get, xi we got in this. A is what? Mid value. So which one is mid? 2 here, 2 here. So 2 number, any of this you can take a. I will take a is equal to what? 50. A is 50. So I will write a mean is equal to 50. Using this formula, so first one xi minus a. So 10 minus a, we have how much? 50. So 10 minus a, so it will be what? It will be 50 minus 10, 40, 50 is greater, so sign will be minus. First one we got. Same thing. Now, xi, 30. So 30 minus 50. So minus 50. So 30 minus 50 will get what? Minus 20. Next, 50 minus 50, right? 50 minus 50, how much? So it will be 0. Now, next it will be what? 70 minus 50. Change the value of xi. All this value you will put here and you will get the answer. So it will be 70 minus 50 will be 20. Then 90 minus 50 will be what? It will be 40. Then 110 minus 50, it will be how much? 60. I hope you are clear with this. By using xi equal di is equal to xi minus a, we got this. Now how to find a5 di? Multiply a5 into di. So 20 into 40. So 4 2s are 8. You will put the 20 with the minus sign. 35 into 2. So 35 into 2, 70. 70 and 0 will be 0 with the minus sign. Next, 52 into 0 will be 0. Next, 44 into 2 will be 80. 8 and the 0 I put here 0. Next, 38 into 4. Multiply 4 8 ja 32. So we got 1520 for this one. 1520. Last one, 31 into 6. So 6 3 are 18. We got 0. 1860. I hope you are clear here. 880. We got 1520 and 1680. Next, what I have taught you. So you have to add the minus sign together and plus 1 will be together. So 700 plus 800 we got minus 1500. Right? Add this. See. So we get 0. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 8, 16. Next it will be 8 plus 8, 16 plus 5, 20. 1 plus 1, 22. Then 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, we got 4. So we are getting 4260. Obviously, second one is greater, 4260. Subtract the smaller one, 1500. You will get 0, 6. Then 12 minus 5, 7. Then here 3 minus 1, we got 2. So we are getting what? Summation of a5 di is how much? 2760. Okay, we got the 2760 for this case, summation of a5 di. Now using this formula you will get your answer. So mean is equal to what? Assume mean, you must write here middlemost value, we got here 50. So let us find out now. Mean a is what? A50, we will put 50 plus summation of a5 di. So a5 di we got 2760. We write 2760 by summation of a5. How much? 220. Right here 220. 0 0 cancel. Then what we will have? 2 cancel with 2. So 11 here. And here 2 1 are 2. 2 3 are 6. we have here 1 6, so 8. So we are getting 5 0, 2 and 2, 2 3 just 6, 2 8 just 16. So we got 50 plus 1 3 8 by 11. Next what we will get here, when we will divide 50 will be 50, divide 1 3 8 by 2 11, 11 1 3 8. So it will be 1 11 2 8. So it will be again 11 2 ja 22. So 2 times, right? So we got here 6 cancel. Now point. So we got 0. 5 will get 55, right? We have the 5 here. Next again point there we can get 0. So how much? 4 times. So we got here what? We are getting 12.54. Add it, you will get how much? You will get 2. You will get here 6.54. So 62.54 is our answer for question number 11. So similarly, your homework will be question number 11. We have finished. Homework will be question number 12. Okay. So next class we'll be doing that step deviation method. Today we have completed that shortcut method or what? Assume mean method. So next class be ready for the step deviation method.